Hey everybody, today we're gonna draw a Christmas owl with Cora. Right, Cora?
Yes.
Yeah, Christmas is upon us. So all you need is a piece of paper,
Sharpie.
black Sharpie, and a bunch of colored markers, whatever you have lying around. Okay, so let's start this. You ready? Okay, here we go. So everybody at home, you guys can follow along, press pause if you need to, and then rewind and follow along. All right, guys? So let's do a big U shape like this. Go from one side of the page like that. That's it. Good. Okay. Now, we're gonna do two ears, one on this side and one on this side. And they're like upside down V's. So I'm gonna continue this line up and come down. That's it. Now on this side, we're gonna try to end the same distance. So you're gonna start from about here and you're gonna stop about there, okay? Or you can go like this even. You can start right here and go same as the other side and then come together. That's it. Now, you wanna join these 2 points here and do just a little bit of a curve upwards, just like that. Good job. How is it so far? Good?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay? All right, so let's draw the inner part of the owl. So owls usually have small eyes or big eyes?
Big
Yeah, they
or
kind of
small?
Yeah, well, this guy's gonna have big eyes. So we're gonna draw one on this side and one on this side, and they're not gonna be touching each other. So we're gonna go like this. Do a nice circle here. And then a little bit of a space in between, and we'll try to draw the same kind of circle, the same size on the other side. This kind of looks like an upside down ghost. Okay, now let's draw two eyeballs in the center, but instead of center of the circle, we're gonna go a little bit to the bottom right of this one, like this. So inside of the circle, and then on this side, we're gonna do it towards the left. So same kind of size, like that. Good. Now inside of these, we're gonna do two smaller ones right there. That's it, and one right there. And you know what? Let's go ahead before we forget. Let's color in the middle circle.
But don't color the little circle.
Yeah, don't color the little one. Try not to color in that one. So we'll do both of them. And don't do the little circles on the inside there. Okay? If you need a touch up, you guys can kind of touch up a little bit. Good. Okay, now let's do the beak. So we're gonna start in between the two eyes, and we're just gonna draw kind of like a curve like that, and then we're gonna come down from the left side down this way. Yep, and then we'll do another line at the bottom, and then we'll go straight up. There we go. Now, let's draw inside of the owl. We have a shape like this. Watch, we're gonna start in the middle here. So if you wanna put a point in the middle of the two eyes, right about there. Oh, you don't, yeah. And then we're gonna go like this, watch. We're gonna do a C shape.
Is it gonna be like a heart?
Yeah, it's almost like a heart, you're right. So we're gonna go right around the eye and try to go close, not too close where you're gonna touch it. And then we'll go like this all the way down to the center. So it's right down to the center, halfway. Yep. And now let's go the other way. So we'll do a backward C, so kind of like a heart, like you said, that's right. And we'll go this way, like that. Good job. All right, now let's do the feet. So we're gonna do 1 foot on this side. So watch what I do. I'm gonna do two shapes like this on one side. Yep, and now I'm gonna do Yep, and now watch this. I'm gonna do like 3 bumps for her, like her claws. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Yep, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do 2 lines, and I'm gonna do 3 bumps again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's do a kind of like an elf's hat. You wanna do that? On her head here? Okay, so watch. We're gonna do a big curve like this. Okay, I'm gonna go like this from one side of her ear, okay? All the way over like this. That's it, good, yeah, make sure you get past the ear. And then we're gonna hook a little bit, like a little rounded shape, and then come all the way back to this part of her ear, okay? Right to here, okay? So you're gonna hook like this and come back that way. So watch how I do it. Go like this, and then we come back like that. That's it. Now let's put some stripes in the hat here. So we'll do like a curve like this. Yep, and then go close and we'll do another curve. Try to stay about the same distance away. Yep, and then you can add a few more like this. Yep, and then do another shape and then space it out. Try to space your shapes the same distance apart, and then keep curving like this, and a couple more. There we go. All right. Now, you want to add like a branch that she's sitting on a branch?
Not sitting, standing.
Standing, that's right, she's standing, not sitting.
So
Okay, so from the left side of the page, she's gonna be standing on this right here. All right, so the branch, let's start from the left side of the page, and we're gonna come over, and she's standing on it, right, like you said?
Is it the right?
Yeah.
This left?
So this is the left side. So watch where her feet are, okay? So you're gonna start about here, okay? And you're gonna wanna come and go across through her feet. So go like this. You can make like a little bit of a wavy shape, because branches are usually a little bit wavy, right? So watch where your toe is of the owl. Yep, and then cross through it like that, and then continue over, and we can hook the branch up a little bit, and don't go all the way to the edge, just stop right around there. That's it. Now we're gonna come down like this, and you can make some like little wigglies, because tree branches are a little kind of, wiggly and stuff. And then we're gonna come over like this, and we're gonna stop, and I'm gonna do like a little branch extension from here. I'm gonna come back and go back up like that, and then we're gonna continue over like that. There you go. All right, let's do a couple ornaments that are hanging from this, okay? So we'll make a line.
Like a Christmas, you put it on the Christmas tree?
Yeah, Christmas ornaments, yeah. So let's do a couple Christmas ornaments. So do like a straight line, and then do a little box shape like that for the top of the Christmas ornament. Yep, and then do a circle, like a round shape below.
Can we make a bow?
Mm-hmm.
Make a bow.
Yeah, and then you can do a bow here, like that. And then we can do another one, and this one can be like shorter or longer, and then you do the same thing. We'll make like the cap, and we'll do a circular shape. All right, you're getting way ahead of me already. I do a little bow, and then you could do like a long one hanging from somewhere else, and then that's it, and then do a circle, and then a little bow.
There.
That's it. Okay, cool. So I love it. So how about
put some snow on it?
some snow? Yeah, why not? Okay, let's do a shape over here. So go like this, kind of like a wave. And then we'll hook it up like this. There's a little piece of snow there. And then we'll do another piece like this, like maybe like 3 bumps or so in it. And then we'll do like a little mound of snow there. Okay, there you go. You wanna do some like snowflakes?
Like some dots.
Yeah, some dots like for some snowflakes. Hey, we can make it like it's snowing. You can have like small ones, big snowflakes.
Big.
Those are huge snowflakes. There we go. It's snowing. And then let's do some feathers, like some feather shapes. So
Like
we'll do
inside her?
inside, yeah, on her like belly area. So let's start with a couple at the bottom.
After, could we put like snow on her?
Sure, if you want. Let's do a couple feathers here. So let's just make like a U shape and then connect it at the top. Yeah, and then do another one next to it. And let's leave like a couple, we're gonna do 2 more rows. So we're gonna do, so there's 2 here. Now let's do 3. So 1 in the middle, and then 1 on the other side. And then for the last row, we're gonna do 4. So we're gonna do 1 here, 1 in the middle of those 2, and 1 in the middle here, and 1 right there. I love it. Awesome, Cora. Do you like doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
You put a little bit of snow on her.
Let's color it in and then we can add some snow after, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna color these owls in, these Christmas owls in. So follow along and grab your markers and check out what we do, okay? Good job, Cora.
Thank you.
Yours looks really good. Really good. I love your ornaments and your snowflakes. That was a good idea to add all those snowflakes. Cool. So hope everybody's at home looks as cool as these guys do. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.